Have you ever felt a deep yearning for something more? A desire to create a life that truly reflects your dreams? What if I told you that you hold the key to unlock that extraordinary reality? Today, we're going to explore the incredible power of manifestation, the ability to bring your deepest desires into existence. It's not magic, it's not wishful thinking, it's a force that lies dormant within each and every one of us, waiting to be awakened. So get ready to discover how you can harness this power to shape your life, step by step, into the masterpiece you've always envisioned. The journey to your dream life begins now. You might have heard whispers of manifestation or the law of attraction. Maybe you've even tried a few techniques, hoping for a quick fix, a magic wand to wave away your problems. But let's be honest, it's not always that simple, is it? Real transformation takes more than just positive thinking or repeating affirmations. It requires a deeper understanding, a shift in perspective that allows you to truly tap into your limitless potential. Today, we're going to shatter those misconceptions and reveal a fresh approach, a path less traveled that will empower you to create lasting change. Forget the idea that manifestation is about chasing after external things or forcing the universe to bend to your will. It's not about luck or chance. It's about aligning your inner world with the reality you desire. We're going to explore a method that goes beyond surface-level techniques, a method that works with the very fabric of your being. Get ready to discover a powerful approach that will revolutionize the way you think about manifestation and unlock a world of possibilities you never thought possible. At the heart of this revolutionary approach lies the wisdom of a visionary teacher, a man who dared to challenge conventional thinking and unveil the true potential of the human mind. His teachings, though profound, are remarkably simple, offering a clear path to those seeking to create a life of their dreams. He understood that the power to manifest lies not in external circumstances, but in the inner workings of our consciousness. His groundbreaking work has inspired countless individuals to break free from limitations and step into their true power. Today, we stand on the shoulders of this giant, ready to explore his timeless wisdom and apply it to our own lives. The foundation of this approach rests on two pillars: the power of imagination and the role of the subconscious mind. Think of your imagination as a canvas, a blank slate where you can paint the picture of your ideal reality. Every thought, every feeling, every image you create in your mind's eye has the potential to shape your external world. But it's not just about daydreaming. It's about consciously directing your imagination, focusing it with unwavering intention on the outcomes you desire. Your subconscious mind, on the other hand, is like a fertile garden, ready to receive the seeds of your imagination. It doesn't judge, it doesn't question, it simply accepts what you feed it. By imprinting your desires deeply into your subconscious, you set in motion a powerful force that works tirelessly to bring those desires into fruition. It's a process that bypasses the limitations of the conscious mind and taps into the infinite possibilities that lie within. Now, let's bridge the gap between your vision and your reality. It's time to take these powerful principles and put them into action to create a tangible shift in your life. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity, its ability to transform complex concepts into actionable steps that you can implement right away. The first step is clarity. What do you truly desire? What are the goals that make your heart sing, the dreams that light up your soul? Take some time to reflect, to connect with your deepest aspirations. Write them down, visualize them, let them become crystal clear in your mind's eye. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to bring it to life through the power of your imagination. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and create a mental movie of your desired outcome. See yourself already living that reality, experiencing the joy, the success, the fulfillment that comes with it. Feel the emotions, engage all your senses, make it as vivid and real as possible. The key here is to embody the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Don't just picture it from a distance. Step into the scene. Become the protagonist of your own story. Let your imagination run wild. Let go of any doubts or limitations, and simply bask in the feeling of having already achieved your goal. This is where the magic happens. By repeatedly immersing yourself in this state of fulfilled desire, you are sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind. You're telling it, this is my reality, this is who I am, this is what I have. And your subconscious, ever faithful, begins to rearrange your external world to match this inner conviction. Consistency is key. Just as a seed needs nurturing to grow into a beautiful flower, your desires need consistent attention to blossom into reality. Set aside a few minutes each day to revisit your mental movie, to reaffirm your intention, to feel the emotions of your desired outcome. It's not about forcing or striving, it's about aligning. It's about creating a harmonious resonance between your inner world and the outer world. The more you practice, the easier it becomes, and the faster you'll see results. But what about those pesky doubts and fears that inevitably creep in? Acknowledge them, but don't let them take control. Shift your focus back to your vision, back to the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Keep in mind that you are the creator of your reality, and you have the power to choose which thoughts and emotions you give energy to. It's important to understand that manifestation is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, of knowing that you are worthy of receiving all that you desire. It's about trusting the process, even when you can't see the immediate results. So, start small, celebrate every victory, and gradually build your confidence. As you witness the power of your own mind to create change, your belief will strengthen, and your manifestations will become bolder and more expansive. The universe is always responding to your vibration, to the dominant thoughts and feelings you hold within. So, choose wisely. Choose to focus on what you want, not on what you lack. Choose to feel the joy of your desires fulfilled, not the fear of them remaining unfulfilled. Choose to trust in the infinite power that resides within you. As you continue on this journey, you'll discover that manifestation is not just about achieving specific goals. It's about living a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, the person you were always meant to be. So, let go of any limitations, any self-doubt, any fear of failure. Accept the power of your imagination. Harness the wisdom of your subconscious mind and step confidently into the reality you desire. The world is your canvas, and you are the artist. It's time to create a masterpiece. Now, let's talk about the limitless possibilities that await you. What dreams have you been holding back? What desires have you kept hidden in the depths of your heart? It's time to unleash your full potential, to break free from the chains of self-doubt and step into a world of infinite abundance. Through the power of manifestation, you can create a life that truly reflects your deepest aspirations. Whether it's a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, vibrant health, financial freedom, or a sense of inner peace, the universe is ready to support you in achieving it all. Don't be afraid to dream big, to set audacious goals that excite and inspire you. The only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Let go of any scarcity mindset, any belief that you're not deserving or capable of greatness. You are a magnificent being with unlimited potential, and it's time to claim your birthright. The beauty of manifestation is that it allows you to create a life that is uniquely yours, a life that aligns with your values, your passions, and your purpose. It's about living authentically, expressing your true self, and contributing your gifts to the world. So, dare to imagine a life beyond your wildest dreams. See yourself achieving extraordinary things, impacting lives, and leaving a lasting legacy. The power to create this reality lies within you. It's time to step up, to shine brightly, and to share your unique light with the world. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The journey of manifestation is not always a smooth ride. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks, there will be moments of doubt and frustration. But these obstacles are not meant to discourage you. They are simply opportunities for growth and learning. One of the most common challenges is impatience. We live in a world that demands instant gratification, but manifestation operates on a different timeline. It requires trust, surrender, and a willingness to let go of control. The universe is always working in your favor, even when you can't see the immediate results. Another challenge is limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts and self-doubts that whisper in your ear, telling you that you're not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy enough. But these beliefs are not truths. They are simply stories you've been telling yourself. It's time to rewrite those stories, to replace them with empowering affirmations that support your dreams. Staying motivated can also be a hurdle, especially when faced with setbacks or delays. In those moments, it's important to reconnect with your vision, to remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Surround yourself with positive influences, seek inspiration from others who have achieved their goals, and celebrate every small victory along the way. Manifestation is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and unwavering belief in yourself and the process. But the rewards are immeasurable. It's about creating a life of joy, abundance, and purpose, a life that truly reflects your limitless potential. Now, let's widen our perspective and consider the profound ripple effect that manifestation can have. It's not just about personal transformation. It's about creating a wave of positive change that extends far beyond ourselves. When you step into your power and start living a life aligned with your true desires, you become a beacon of light, an inspiration to those around you. Your energy shifts, your confidence radiates, and your actions speak volumes. People will notice the positive changes in your life, and they'll be curious to know your secret. You have the opportunity to share your knowledge, to empower others to tap into their own potential, and to create a collective shift towards a more conscious and abundant world. Imagine a world where everyone is living their dreams, where creativity and innovation flourish, where compassion and kindness prevail. This is not just a utopian vision. It's a reality that we can co-create through the power of manifestation. Your newfound power is not just for personal gain, it's a gift to be shared. Use it to uplift others, to contribute to causes you believe in, and to make a positive impact on the world. We are all interconnected, and every act of kindness, every expression of love, every step towards a better future sends ripples of transformation throughout the universe. As we near the end of our video, it's important to know that manifestation is not a destination, it's a journey. It's a continuous process of growth, self-discovery, and expansion. There will be moments of triumph and moments of challenge, moments of clarity and moments of confusion. But through it all, there is a deep sense of joy and fulfillment that comes from living a life aligned with your true desires. It's about waking up each day with a sense of purpose, knowing that you are actively creating the life you want. It's about pursuing your passions, expressing your creativity, and contributing your unique gifts to the world. It's about experiencing the magic of synchronicity, the serendipitous encounters and opportunities that unfold as you align with your true path. So, let go of any expectations of perfection or instant results. Enjoy the process, celebrate the small wins, and learn from the challenges. This journey is not about reaching a final destination. It's about the continuous unfolding of your potential, the ever-expanding expression of your true self. The power to create the life you desire is within your grasp. It's time to take that first step, to plant the seeds of your dreams and watch them blossom into reality. Start today. Choose one desire that burns brightly within you and apply the principles we've explored. Visualize it, feel it, and trust in the process. The universe is conspiring in your favor. Every thought, every action, every choice you make is shaping your reality. So choose wisely, choose boldly, and choose to live a life that fills you with joy, purpose, and abundance. And most importantly, don't give up. The path to your dreams may have twists and turns, but the destination is worth it. Keep your vision clear, your intention strong, and your heart open to the infinite possibilities that await you. If this video has inspired you, sparked a flame within, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're ready to continue this journey of self-discovery and manifestation, hit that subscribe button to stay connected and receive more empowering content. The world is waiting for your brilliance. Go forth and create the life you deserve.